wants to open it first? Who wants to open it?
Smells like IHOP.
Grab the front. I'm afraid! I'm afraid! My fingies are gonna hurt! Okay. One second, grab from the side. Oh, that's hot! That's fucking hot! That's fucking hot! Oh, look at all that fluid. Hell yeah, am I cool? Hey. Oh, fuck, that's hot, bitch. How much would I buy fuck the entire engine up? Fuck! Fuck. Overheated the Mustang, had it for 2 days, and it started bellowing smoke right at the hood. Had a real nasty hole in the radiator. I think I must have hit something at the bottom of it because it was just bellowing out of the bottom. So I picked up some good eBay parts. We're gonna go test them real quick. But before that, just want to show off what I picked up. Got these G Plus silicone hoses up top and bottom. They were 35 bucks for the pair. Then I got this aluminum radiator with a aluminum fan shroud and a high-low fan assembly, and all that together was 200 bucks. And then I picked this up, which was 15 bucks at O'Reilly's, and we're gonna wire these up and beat on her a little bit. See if, you know, how the eBay parts work. Hopefully they don't blow my shit up. I thought I lost all gears. It just wouldn't go in any gear. Everything fucking rattles in this thing, man. I'm too pussy to come around these corners flying, bro. Bald ass tires. I'm overheating. I'm dead ass. I'm overheating. I'm overheating. Fuck. Bro, that bitch is gonna blow, bro. I'm about to blow.
God damn it, not again, bro.
Fuck.
This is what, the second time now?
Second time.
Oh, I hear it boiling.
No balls up in the radiator. Bro, chill. Bro, I was about to dip.
What is that? What is that? Brand
Coming out right there, right out of the hose. Them hose clamps, bro. Bullshit. Some bullshit. Bro, this bitch just pulled up, took a picture of us and left. Didn't even ask if we needed help or nothing. Dumb hoe. Hey.
what the fuck?
What do you mean?
Bro, I was about to eat tacos.
Bruh, I overheated.
Bitch ass called me, was like, hey, we broke down.
Yeah, it was pouring smoke earlier, now it's chilled out. It's probably still too hot.
I thought you were a master mechanic and could like fix a radiator.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, bro. I don't even know what the hell going on.